guys, and welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to be doing a Nichole Jacklyne slime review. I am just so excited for today's video, and I've always wanted to order from her slime shop. So recently I was looking around at her slime shop, and I saw some really cool fall themed slimes, so I went ahead and picked up a few of them, and I am just so excited to open them in today's video, and I really hope you guys enjoy. But first, if you're new to my channel, then hi, I'm Alina. Be sure to hit that red subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on any new videos. And without further ado, let's get started. So here's the package that I received from Nichole Jacklyne. In total, I spent around $38 and ordered 3 different slimes. She also sent me a free slime, which was super nice of her. The package only took 4 days to get here, so it had super fast shipping. All of the slimes were super nice and neatly packaged in bubble wrap, and they also had packing peanuts in the box for extra protection. The package included a little bag of borax with a slime care sheet, and she also sent me some candy, which was super nice of her. So here's the very first slime that I'm going to be opening. So this one is called Jacklyne's Caramel Popcorn, and I'm pretty sure this one was around $10. The slime did melt down a little bit due to shipping, so I went ahead and reactivated the slime using my borax activator. As soon as the slime was reactivated, it was amazing. It has such a realistic caramel popcorn scent and it smells so good. I just love all the foam beads in the slime. It gives it a super nice and crunchy texture and it's a lot of fun to play with. I just love all the pigment she added in the slime. It just looks so nice and I just had a lot of fun with this one. So here's the next slime that I'm going to be opening. So this one is called Apple Crisp, and I'm pretty sure this one was around $10. So this slime comes in 2 parts. The first part is the Apple Crisp, and the second part is the whipped cream, and it also comes with a super cute apple charm. I thought it was a super fun idea how you get to put the slime all together, and I was really excited to see how this one would turn out. I am just so happy with how this slime turned out. I thought it was super fun how you get to put the slime all together. I love the jelly cube texture of this slime. The jelly cubes give the slime a super nice and crunchy texture and it's a lot of fun to play with. The slime also has a really nice apple scent and it smells so good. This was definitely my favorite slime from this video and I just had a lot of fun with this one. here's the next slime that I'm going to be opening. So this one is called Pumpkin Spice Latte. I just love the name of this one and I just thought it was super creative. So just like the last slime, this slime comes in two separate parts. The first part is the pumpkin spice latte and the second part is the whipped cream topping. The slime did melt down a little bit due to shipping, so I went ahead and reactivated the slime using my borax activator. This slime has such a nice thick texture. There's also some fishbowl beads in the slime that make it super nice and crunchy, and it's a lot of fun to play with. This slime also has an amazing scent. It smells just like a pumpkin spice latte, and I just thought this was a very creative slime. So here's the last slime that I'm going to be opening. So this one is actually the free slime that she sent to me, which was super nice of her. So this one is the mystery slime. I thought this one was super cool because it's a two-colored slime all twirled together. This slime has a very nice and thick texture. It's super nice and stretchy and it has great bubble pops. The slime is also scented, although I'm not really sure what the scent is, but it does smell a lot like licorice to me. It was so nice of her to send this slime and I just had a lot of fun playing with it. Alright guys, that is it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up. Be sure to let me know in the comments down below if I should do more videos like this one and what slime shop I should review next. And be sure to check out Nichole Jacklyne's slime shop as well as her super fun YouTube channel. I'll be sure to leave both of those links down below. And be sure to check out my Instagram page where I post all sorts of fun pictures and slime videos. I'll be sure to leave a link down below. I hope you guys are having an amazing day and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!